What's up, guys? In this tutorial, we're going to be creating a transformer for a data set. Now, what is a transformer? A transformer is essentially a function that takes a column of data from a data frame or a data set, and it transforms it into another column. Either alters the current column of data, or it creates a whole new column of data based on the previous column of data, or the column of data that we're transforming. It basically transforms it. Now, what could be an example of a transformer? A transformer could take something very simple. It could take someone's name, first and last name. There could be a transformer that takes both columns and it combines them into one column and creates a full name column. So that would be a first and last name transformer to create a full name column. There could also be if there's a birthday column, then there could be a transformer that then creates an age, like a current age column, which then this transformer would basically take the birthday and it would find the difference between that birthday and the current day, and then it finds the age. So there's many examples of transformers that we can create, but we're going to keep it simple for this tutorial, so we can keep this tutorial short and sweet. So we're going to start by, in our Visual Studio Code here, we're going to make sure that we have some dependencies. I'm going to initialize my virtual environment, so I'm going to show you how you can create one. If you don't have a virtual environment set up, on Linux, you could just use virtual env python 3.8 and do VNV. I already have one, so I'm not going to click enter here, but you can do that. I'm going to initialize it by typing this command in, and once you have the virtual environment set up, then using this command above, you basically go into the VNV folder, you source VNV bin activate, and that activates virtual environment. Then you're going to install Pandas. So you're going to say pip install Pandas. I already have it. I'm going to click enter, and it says requirement already satisfied. So I have it. Make sure you do that, and then we're good to go. So we're going to import Pandas as PD, and we're going to create a sample data set. So we're going to say data set is equal to, we're going to have a name, or no, we're going to start with the first name, and we're going to call this Joe, and the last name is going to be White. And we're also going to have let's do a birthday column. So this birthday, let's say, is, we're going to format it 8, 0, or 18, and 1992. Just that. Then we're going to have another one and create basically a copy of this. And we're going to make some tweaks. We're going to call this Walter White from Breaking Bad. And we're going to make this 510. So Walter White's a Gemini in this tutorial. We're going to say birthday is way older because this is kind of an old guy. We're going to make it 1955. Okay. So there is our 2-row, 3-column data set. Now we're going to create a data frame from this data set by doing pd.dataframe from records, and we're going to put in data set. And now we're going to create our transformer. So our transformer is going to be called a first last name those are the columns that we're going to pass in, and we're going to create the full name. So we're going to say full name transformer, and we're going to put in the first, the F names and the L names. Now we're going to have a results list, and we're going to we're going to iterate over both series of F name and L name series by doing this: F name, L name in zip, F names, L names. Now what we're going to do is say full name is equal to F string here, F name space L name. And we're going to say results.append full name. And then we're going to return the results. So now we're going to create full name is equal to full name transformer, and we're going to pass in the first name and the last name columns. And then we're going to print the data frame after we're done with that. So we're going to type in Python transformer, and here we go. So if you can see here, I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so you can see. So it created this full name value based on those two columns. So that's one example of a transformer. Now we're going to create an age transformer. So to do this, we're going to say def age transformer. We're going to say birthdays results, and at the top here we're going to import Pandas, or not Pandas, we already did that. We're going to say from date time import date time. Okay, now we're going to iterate over each birthday by going for B day and B days. Then we're going to get the well, let's calculate the current day. So we're going to say today is equal to date time now, and the birthday, we got to calculate this string, this date string, into a date time object. So we're going to say date time object is equal to date time dot we're going to be creating this, so it's going to be strp time, we're going to say birthday, and we have to specify what the format is. So it's simply going to be a we're going to say this %sign month, and then we're going to say %sign day, and then %sign year. Okay, now we're going to find the difference between the day today. Well, basically we have to get the year. So how do we do this? Yeah, we're going to say today year is equal to today.year. Now we got to get the date time object year, so I'm going to say date time object year is equal to dto.year. And then we're going to subtract the today year, the date time object year from the today year to get the age. So we're going to say age is equal to date time year, date time object year, today year minus the date time object year. And then we're going to say results.append age, and we're going to return the results. Okay, so let's create this age transformer, or we're going to create this age column, and we're going to say age transformer, we're going to say data frame, and we're going to pass in the birthday column. So let's run this, and here's our age. So the person with Joe White was born in 1992, so that makes him 30 years old. And Walter White was born in 1955, so that makes him 67. So that worked out well. And yeah, guys, that's it for our tutorial. There's many other examples of transformers we can do, but we're going to keep it simple. We're going to just have that full name, transformer, age transformer. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Please subscribe to this channel if you want to see more of this content. And I will see you guys in the next tutorial. All right, see you guys.